In a minor mood from the top of the song, from beginning to end. Here we go. So the first thing we need to do in this song is highlight the new note. The new note is towards the second measure right here. It shows us that it's a sixth position and it's a C. So this is where trombone starts to get a little bit more ear-based and feel-based. So when you listen to the way this note is played, kind of pretty far out there, especially for young people with short arms. You might have a hard time finding this. So remember, this is 4. Let's see if that's close. I would make sure you practice that a few times to make sure you know exactly how far out it is. Check it out. You can find that C by glistening down to it. So you can find exactly where it needs to be. One other thing that we need to talk about as trombone players is the wrist and the fingers. Those of you who have been clutching it like it's a machine gun, okay, it's no longer a machine gun. We have to be able to hold it out to the fingers, okay? So those fingers extend and get us out to 6th position. As far as hard parts of the song go, there's not much that's like difficult about this other than just making sure you know how it sounds in your head and you're familiar with these notes. So let's go through the notes real quick. If that's too much to think about in one whole song span, then do it in smaller chunks. Make sure you use the loop function. Last thing before we go, make sure you play long, fluid lines between these beginning of phrases and to the breath mark, the little comma things, or from beginning of phrases to the rest. Those long phrases, articulating with your tongue, are going to be what I'm going to be listening for as the band teacher, and I may have to resend it to you if it's too choppy. Okay? Good luck. You're awesome. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.